Hi folks, welcome to another unboxing video from Dvija Gaming. This is Krishna. Hope you're doing good and safe. So one thing that was missing from our setup was a gaming chair, as you know. And in the recent Amazon Diwali sale, I went ahead and got a good deal and purchased a gaming chair for myself. And so this video is gonna be on that. So let's start. So guys, this is my new gaming chair. This is from Green Soul. The model number is GS734U, black and blue variant. So because the general theme that we use for our setup is blue, so I thought why not blue. So yes, this is from Green Soul and the size is T. So I got this for around 16,000, and the MRP on this it says 35,533, but we got an awesome deal there and got it for around 16,000. So I got it delivered yesterday, and since yesterday I've been thinking about doing an unboxing video. So I got time to do it, and yesterday we didn't stream, as everyone knows. So guys, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let's go. So guys, I think this is the base. And this is the mid stem, probably. So much of bubble wrap, huh? This is the base. These are the hands. Probably this is a tool set, I guess. This is a lumbar support, neck pillow, in the back. Another hand rest. These are the instructions. Oh, you have gloves as well. Yes. So I'll just remove this off. guys, we are finally done with unboxing and also assembling, and it took me around 1 hour probably to assemble the whole thing, and I also cut my finger. Right, it's okay. And coming to the chair, I'm very satisfied with how it is right now, because I've never sat on one green sole chair, which is considered to be the top notch in terms of gaming chairs and stuff. So yes, this is indeed a good chair. One good thing is that you have a lumbar support, which is very good for long sessions of gaming. Earlier I had some back issues with the simple chair that I've been using till now, and now I think this would put an end to all the pains, etc. Right, and hopefully there is also a neck pillow that is given, which will also help us in taking rests in between, and also fully leaning back, right? And also, as if you've not known, this thing would lean to almost 180 degrees, the back support, which is also good for rest sessions if you're planning in between. And yes, I'm looking forward to using this extensively, and probably will be giving better headshots with this chair, because it'll be more comfortable. The more the comfort, the better you play the game, right? That is also a factor. So I think yes, thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and we'll meet in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.